So much problems. Know if I should stay. Know if I should go. First time that I saw you, my heart went all for you. I said, man, I really do it all for you. My mind said to me that I'd rep to the death for me. If I had this girl respecting me, it was like a mystery, creating history. We both getting close up like personally. I was thinking, you really getting used to me. Until you left, I seen it ain't like it used to be. Usually, I just put my problems aside and think about the love that I occupied. When we stayed inside, sharing sweet kisses together, cause there was so much problems outside. You made me feel so satisfied. Every time you came around, you gave me the happy smiles. It was so amazing. So what happened now to the gifts and the roses and promise that you made, that you would've had my child no matter what it cost you? With a family together no matter what it cost you. That's all I asked and I didn't have to force you. That was a while back when we used to be close. I wanna give the love back, but I'm forced to the side. And truly this can't be right, cause right now I know I gotta sacrifice, but this time I can't be nice. You said you want us to be together. You said there won't ever be no other. You said you wanna make a family. It'll be a lovely place, no one else above me. You said you want me, you said you need me. Don't wanna be lonely, can't live without me. But it's so complicated to stay around when everything ain't the same and the streets keep calling. And they shouldn't have been taking my kindness for weakness, because I walked around with my heart on my sleeve. And I did things that you couldn't believe. Got what you admired, wanted to achieve. Maybe I just do what you did to me, and we could create more history and get back together like we usually be. Cause makeup sex is the best to me, but you keep stressing me that I should leave the street life and stop treating it like I'm getting into sex. Even though I've been through it, but right now I'm getting back into it, and it's getting intimate. Same thing that got you vexed, perplexed to the point where you don't even want me to touch or feel. And you got me stressing for real, with little room to speak and less time to express how I feel. So what do I do in a situation like this? Who should I ask to help me to go through it when I'm jammed up and I'm feeling trapped? Where should I go to be relaxed? Why obstacles always want me to take a turn, whether it be for better or worse? How do I react being caught up between a beautiful, lovely girl and a big white open world? You said you want us to be together. You said there won't ever be no other. You said you wanna make a family. It'll be a lovely place, no one else above me.